My samples. To access sampling at Petpooja inventory, first you need to log on to your owner's dashboard and then go into Suppliers Hub. Inside Suppliers Hub on the left hand side, you can navigate to My Samples. Here, you can filter category wise or directly click on ads running there. Other than that, all the top of the samples available with us will be displayed here in such forms. Let us take an example of paper cup with plastic lid. As soon as I'll be clicking on get free sample, it will show me the contact details that I'd like to send it to the supplier. After selecting my details, I'd click on get free sample and a sample request will be generated. This request will go to the supplier. Then it will be filtered by our team, and after verification, the free sample will be delivered to you at the earliest possible time. With this, you can check the quality of your samples, and if interested, you can directly contact the vendor. If you'd like to learn how to use Suppliers Hub, you can simply click on the request for demo icon and a request from your ID will be generated. All the inquiries for samples done by you will be displayed here along with the status of the inquiry. So this is about my samples in Petpooja inventory.